In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a background transparent in Photoshop. Whether you're a graphic designer or just a creative enthusiast looking to polish your projects, knowing how to remove backgrounds is an essential skill. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to add your image to Photoshop. Simply open Photoshop and drag your image file into the workspace. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember to double check that your image is unlocked. If it's not, click on the little lock icon in the Layers panel to unlock it. This ensures that you can freely edit your image without restrictions. Now, we'll move on to selecting the background of the object you want to keep. For this, you can use the Quick Selection tool or the Magic Wand tool. These tools are located in the toolbar on the left side of your screen or within your toolbar's selection section. The Magic Wand tool is particularly ideal for quickly selecting large areas of similar color, which is handy for removing solid color backgrounds. Once you've selected the Magic Wand tool, click on the background of your image. You'll see the marching ants outline appear around the areas Photoshop has selected. Sometimes the Magic Wand tool might not select all parts of the background if the colors are too varied, so feel free to adjust the tolerance level located in the top menu bar. A higher tolerance will select a broader range of colors, which might be necessary if the background has gradients or shadows. With the background all selected, it's time to click the Background Eraser tool. You can find this tool hidden under the Eraser tool in the toolbar. This tool is great for cleaning up background areas because it erases pixels directly under the cursor while preserving the edges of your subject, making it a helpful ally for this task. Now start brushing over the selected background. If everything is correctly selected, brushing with the Background Eraser tool should remove the unwanted background areas to reveal a transparent grid pattern, which symbolizes transparency. Remember to zoom in and adjust the brush size as needed, especially when dealing with intricate details around the edges of your subject. Carefully work your way around, ensuring you don't accidentally erase parts of the object you wish to keep. And there you have it. Your image now has a transparent background. You can save your work in a PNG format to maintain this transparency when you use your image elsewhere. With these steps, you've mastered the basics of background removal in Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and can apply it to your future projects. Thanks for watching and happy editing.